Hi guys, welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK, where today is probably going to be the last visit or last walk around the garden before the winter comes. I mean, it's a really nice day today, a little bit chilly, we haven't had a frost yet, but it's time I started thinking about putting some of the plants away, which I'm going to do. So please join me while I have a walk around our garden. It may be the last one before winter, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll sneak another one in. Anyway, take care, sit back, and don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. Give me a like, give me a share, and keep those views coming in, and keep building up my channel because it's doing really well. Thanks to you guys, all the subscribers and all the people that watch it. Great, 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 great. So my fuchsias are doing so well. They do well every year. They love it in this little spot. And in amongst the fuchsias, I've got what's called a black-eyed Susan, which has gone crazy. Just look at all those lovely flowers. Banana is still out, as you can see. And that's a Spanish dagger. It's quite a tall one. I left it out last year, and it could handle a few small frosts because it's close to the house and you don't get many frosts there. There's another smaller fuchsia. And there's a gunner relief. Some little daisies still flowering. And I love this plant. Look at those big leaves. It's an alocasia. Behind here is a bit of a job to see, but there is a wildlife pond, believe me, and it gets all sorts in there. Frogs, newts, beetles, everything. Behind the wildlife pond is a black bamboo. Here we have a large tree fern. I'll have to prepare that for the winter. And of course here's another big leaf plant, Papyrifus, T-Rex. Such big leaves. There's a Trachycarpus palm tree. This one, believe it or not, is one of the smaller ones that I've got. These black seeds are from last year, and the light green seeds are this year's. This agave, I've got to prepare that for the winter. It's not winter hardy, not where I live anyway. So I use these sticks, I screw those into the side of the pot, and then I put a plastic sheet over the top just to keep the rain off because it doesn't like to be too wet. There's another spineless agave that'll have to be put in and put under cover. This is just a view of the pond. I put plants all around the edge. Some of those fish are really, really old. And up here is where I keep all the ferns. I like to call it a fernery, really. More banana plants in the background there. This is a Mexican agave that I've decided to plant out. It's been out in a pot for 3 years, so I guess that's strong enough to look after itself now. More banana plants, or Musa bars Jew. I'll have to wrap those up carefully for the winter. There's a big spider, so I'd better not walk down this way and disturb his web. And a setae, N-setae I should say. I love those ones. I can't leave that out in the winter at all. They're just definitely not hardy. There's a cordyline palm. And there's the gunnera, which just keeps getting bigger and bigger every year. Behind the gunnera is my largest Chusan palm. Bigger than the house now. Thanks so much for watching this latest video here in my garden where it's a gorgeous day. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves watching this, and I'll see you all again in the next one, which hopefully won't be too far away. Bye for now.